What are modal verbs? Modal verbs are special helping verbs that show ability, possibility, permission, advice, necessity, intention, and more. These verbs do not change form and are always followed by the base form of the verb. Let's discuss them one by one. 1. Can. Used for ability, permission, possibility. I can swim, ability. Can I use your phone? Permission. It can rain today, possibility. 2. Could. Used for past ability, polite request, possibility. I could run fast when I was young, past ability. Could you open the door, please? Polite request. It could happen, possibility. 3. May. Used for permission, possibility, formal. May I come in? Permission. It may take a long time, possibility. 4. Might. Used for weak possibility. She might come later, weak possibility. 5. Will. Used for future action, promise, instant decision. I will visit you tomorrow, future action. I will always support you, promise. I think I will buy this, instant decision. 6. Would. Used for polite offers, requests, imaginary situations, past habits. Would you like tea? Polite offer. Would you help me? Polite request. I would travel the world if I had money, imaginary situation. 7. Shall. Used for suggestions, offers, formal. Shall we start? Suggestion. Shall I carry your bag? Offer. 8. Should. Used for advice, recommendation, expectation. You should eat healthy food, advice. He should study more, recommendation. They should be here by now, expectation. 9. Must. Used for strong obligation, necessity, rules. You must stop when the light is red, rule. I must finish this today, necessity. You must wear a helmet, strong obligation. 10. Have to. Used for external obligation, requirement, general rules. I have to go to work at 9, external obligation. She has to submit the form today, requirement. Students have to wear uniforms, general rule.